everyone, welcome back to part 2 of how to make your own stickers to use in social media. So in part 1 I went over the very basics just to how to make your own cartoon, how to draw your thing and how to use Photoshop. But today I'm actually going to show you how to put it on a social media platform, and this platform I'm using is Line. So let's go! Okay, so in the last video I started making some stickers and now I finished all of them. So I made 40, but I will probably just choose to upload 32. It gives you that option too. So I'll just choose the best 32 that I have out of these 40. So if you remember, let's just open one. Let's say this one, okay? So if you remember, I drew this in a super high quality. So let me show you image size. So completely overkill, right? 3000 resolution, this high, like it's just overkill. So I do this personally because I never know when I need to use these somewhere else or somewhere different than just as stickers. Maybe I want to use them in an advertisement. Maybe I want to make a thumbnail. Maybe I want to make a high quality post. So I can reuse these. That's why I make them such a super high quality. But you don't actually have to do that. So I want to show you this one. Line, they want a specific ratio of the pictures, okay? So I take the best resolution I can, which is 300 or 299, then 320 height and 370 widths in pixel. So you create this. Now you have to scale. So what I have to do now, so this is just an extra step that I personally have to do because I made it in such a large scale. What you have to do now, you have to transform this into the scale that Line can recognize it. Okay, so I posted in here and you can see this is just the edge of what is needed. So I have to scale this down. And how I'm doing this is I go to edit, transform, and I go scale. And you see width and height here and percentage. Link those by pressing this button here. And then you make this one, I don't know, I think 4% will be fine. So now they're both at 4%. And this is the position of the picture on the image file. I put it to 0 because I want it to be centered, right? And let's go. Oh, 1 moment. So 0, huh? Now you have this in the size that Line needs it to be. So I scaled this. Okay, so when you send the message, this is pretty much how it would look like while sending it. Plus it still has the high quality that you made it with. Now you want to export as. You can also just save as directly, but I like to press on export because here I can double check that everything is correct and maybe change resolution or depending on how it looks like. But this looks pretty okay for me at the moment. So now you just save it to the file here. Here we go. So this one was sticker. So I numerate those. So I know this one was number 24. And here we go. I saved it. Now you can delete this and just repeat this process. I know it's crazy. It's crazy. It's so much work. Ole, what the hell are you doing? But again, I don't know. Maybe I want to use that for something else than just Line, right? Okay, so just to show you again, let's make another one. 11. Let's say this one. 14. Okay. Show this one. So coffee cup and Muffin laughing their ass off. Okay. You go back here. That's the format you want it to be. You go edit, transform, scale, link those two, scale it down to a reasonable size, which was 4% was okay. Center it by putting all these pixels on 0. Put this in the middle. Adjust it a little bit. And here we go. And there you go. Save as. So I just want to show you save as this time instead of instead of export as. So save as PNG. So PNG is, it will save everything it can see on the screen. So if you have multiple layers, you can turn off some layers or turn them on depending on what you want to be saved if you save it as a PNG. So this one was 14. Let's save it. And here we go. So now you just repeat that process until all the stickers are done. All right, so I'm on the Line Creator website right now. So first thing you want to do before you can get started, you want to open your own Line Creator account, which can take a little while because you have to actually set up a, you have to set up an account where they can pay you, right? So I'm using PayPal, and I set up a PayPal business account, which they want to see in order to make your own Line Creator account. Once you have done that, it will basically look like this. So here you can see the sticker sets that are on sale at the moment. So they're in the Line shop. And right now I'm doing the new one, the one we're doing together right here. And what you want to do is continue working on your new project. So I could double click on my newest project because I'm currently working on it. But if you're just starting new, you just press new submission. And this is what it will look like once you've done that. So it wants you to fill out all the information, sticker details, right? So you can edit those. The title, you know, I called it Little Muffin's Adventures at the moment. And then the description, the Muffin's most recent adventures for you to use in your everyday lives. Okay. And then style, character category, how people can find it. Let's just quickly go through this for now. You save it. Go to next one, sticker images. So I uploaded some of these already. I decided to make 32 instead of 40 because I think from out of the 40 I've made, I just want to choose the 32 best ones. So you press edit, go on here. The first image will be the main, it says main image. That will be the image that people will be able to see in the shop. So when they go, before they go and when you scroll through the whole list of what is available, that's the image they will see. So let's press upload. And then these are the scaled down stickers I made. So don't want to put them twice in. So let's put in one of those. Yeah, uploading those. So most of them should not have an issue because I scaled them to the size that Line wants it. Okay, so this is one I wanted to show you, okay? So if I press upload, and I want to upload this one, it doesn't work. Oh shoot, what's going on? Well, let's have a look. Let's open it right here. So from stickers, okay, let's open this one. Okay. I can see right here the scale is just not correct. So I will open it up again. Okay, so it looks different, right? See? Copy this, put it in here. Okay. Save as PNG. So this one is number 27. We call it 27.5. So I know that's the newest one. Okay, let's try with that one. and voila, the tab. This is what you will see on the chat when you switch between stickers. So you know when you're about to like, oh yeah, I want to use this sticker set. So when you use the sticker set, if you want to use the sticker set, you will see this one, and that will be the tab image that you will that you can click on. So these two have different sizes too, and here you can actually see, you can actually read that in guidelines again. If I click on guidelines and stickers, here the main image is 240 by 240, so that's the what you will see in the shop. Sticker images, those are the ones we made, and a chat thumbnail is slightly smaller, right? Because it will be just a little icon at the bottom of your chat. Okay, now I uploaded all images I wanted to, and I also adjusted them. So I wanted, in my opinion, the best ones to be at the top right here. Statistically, the second picture or the second image is the one that is mostly used. And in my opinion, this one is the funniest, so I just chose this one to be the one. Okay, let's continue. So I just want to show you how it would look like if you finish up everything and all that's left is submitting it. So I finished up all these stickers. I need to adjust some images right here, but I think they look good enough to submit them. I made 32. They're all ready to go. So here it wants to know sticker type. It's not animated, it's just stickers. Number of sticker, and then the title. I called it Little Muffin number 4 because my 4th set. Sticker description. Little Muffin's most recent adventures for you to use in your everyday conversations. Muffin's a lot more confident and funnier than ever. I think that's good enough. And then you have an option to add more languages. And I highly suggest to use Japanese, since Line is a Japanese platform. So translate in Japanese. Indonesia is a big market for Line as well as Thailand. Actually, I just didn't add Thai in here, but write in Indonesian. German, because I'm German, I want it to be in German as well, Kleiner Muffin. Spanish as well. Spanish is quite a big market too for Line. And once you have done that, you take the product details. So character category. The character categories you can see here are the most popular ones that people will find and buy. If you don't know what your stickers are, you can write others, but I suggest you to choose one regardless. Okay, so if you don't know what it is, put at least male character or female character in there, at least. So my muffin is food. I put in food. Privacy settings be just public, so show in Line store, right? Line Sticker Premium. So this is a new program Line has. You can be a premium member. So how it works is you buy stickers and then you can use them, right? But in Line you can be a premium member, and with that membership you can use stickers that have been in the market since 160 days. And how the creator earns money is not from the sales per se, but how many times your sticker has been used. You get a share from the usage. I think it's a really creative system for any artist or creative mind. It creates merit and helps you to succeed in selling your product. So you include photos, so it doesn't include photos. So they just want to know if you have any pictures in it, because so these are just the license certification. So this is very important since there's actually physically people going through your sticker set and approving it before it can be sold on the market. So they want to know if you have actual pictures in it, if you have a license. So My Little Muffin has a copyright on it. If you have a great idea you want to use multiple times in the future, you should definitely copyright it. And then you press save. Go to next one. Images all good, great, you don't have to do anything from here. So tag settings. So the tags are, you know, when you're typing and you write something like, oh yikes, or whatever you say, then the little image from your sticker set will show up. Let's say you say something dirty, okay? Then the sticker will be suggested for you to be sent. Let's say you say something angry. or something silly, then the tag, then this sticker will be suggested for you to be sent. And also, this is a great tool since even though you don't have the sticker, they can be suggested in your conversation, and then people can press on it and actually buy them if they want to use them. So if you don't add tags, they will be added automatically. So what I usually do is I do not add the tags. I just publish my set, and then I wait for them to add the tags, and then I just adjust them. Maximum tags you can add are 3, and you just adjust them if it's fitting, if it suits your image, or if you think you have to change it, then you should change it. If you don't, then if you want to leave it, you can leave it. It doesn't really matter, but I usually just wait for them to add the tags for me, and then I adjust them afterwards. And then the price tier, you can set the price for your sticker set. Well, since it's not animated and since it's only 32 and not 40, I want to go as low as possible, right? I don't want to make it super expensive for people to use, because I actually want people to use that stick. I actually want people to use it. I want my mascot and my idea to be popular and seen. It's not for the money. So you save this, and once you have all that, once you've finished all that, you request to submit it. Okay, so you agree to the terms and conditions, press OK, and here we go. The status here will be updated. So waiting for review, it will take about 2 weeks for it to be ready to be on the market. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.